Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Stage 8 difficulty is pretty mid in my opinion. It only took me about 1 or 2 attempts to come up with a plan and I was able to get a lucky clear within 5 rounds. It then took me about an hour to perfect the strategy to get more consistent results. Let's get started. The strategy is the same as before. Find a good place to put the high ground device for Ifrit. Make sure we have enough heal to withstand Blight Dragons, and find a way to clear the trash mobs. Start by deploying Mew, cloning Dorothy. During my early attempts, I placed a silence where Mew is standing, and a Mew next to where I deploy Nasty. It didn't work out really well because the deployment means a silence will always be attacked by both the dragon and fastings, and if you're not careful, she can easily be one-shotted. Now back to the stage. After deploying Mew, deploy Nasty, Silence Altar, and Astronite Altar. Astronite Altar is on her skill 2. She will do amazing things to all the trash mobs in and out of her attack range, so make sure you don't miss it. Activate Mew's skill when a boss's AoE attack ends. Here's the thing, pay attention to the remembrance that just spawn on the bottom left. Those things are actually the hardest part of the map. Ideally, you want to wait for them to approach before activating Mew's skill, so they can be easily stopped and killed. However, it is very hard to control when the first remembrance get a chopstick and turn into flying mode. Therefore, I just activate Mew's skill. The reason why I have Dorothy facing up is for the exact same reason. Some remembrance will fly past Astronite Altar, and the Ifrit might not be able to burn them down in time. Therefore, having Dorothy facing up is just a security measure that I hope I won't need to use. As you can see, the plan is to stall the boss on top portion of the map. This way, the boss's AoE attack will only affect Saria, significantly reducing our healing pressure. You want to keep using Silence Drone on Saria whenever possible, because even with her skill 1 and a module Y, she can be two-shotted. However, when a Blight Dragon is approaching, you need to use a drone for Mew instead. Notice how we almost leak the flying remembrance. This is why Dorothy needs to face up. At the end of phase 1, you want to deploy a line of traps at the bottom. There will be 3 more remembrance appearing during phase 2, and you want to damage them as much as possible before they take off. Phase 2 is not much different from Phase 1. Use the Silence Drone to keep Saria alive. Activate Silence Altar's skill when the Blight Dragon is approaching. Activate Mew's skill when the Remembrance are approaching. And place traps where needed.
てないで、これも計画のうち。ちゃんと直すから。キャンディー美味しいよ。流れに沿いていきなさい。強化しろ。どんなにわずかな振動でも結果を変えてしまえるものよ。ライン、私の星の光を届ける。
Activate the map device when those drifting aromas get close.
砂は大地を作り変えて、そこに並びやがれ。
プロセスエラー、よく聞け。これはただの工事の騒音なのか。
みんなに約束したんだから。
諦めるな。
女神どうか形をなして。ここの防衛は私に任せて。砂は大地を作り変えて、戦力勝者増えないことを言える。お待ちして限界なんてない。
プロセスエラー、よくあることだ。この世に君が足を休める場所はない。
そこに並びやがれ。当然。痛えか？痛えのか？絶対近づかせない。みんなに約束したんだから。準備勝者増えないことを祈る。
すぐに終わる。
女神どうか形をなして。砂は大地を作り変えていく。ここの防衛は私に任せて。
Now only the boss is left. It's a long fight, but don't let your guard down yet. The boss can still take down Saria if you are not careful.
準備の山動かないで。ちゃんと直すから。そこに並びやがれ。そこに並びやがれ。今倒れてくれたらそれ以上傷つかずに済む。みんなに約束したんだから。
And that's how you clear OR EX8 challenge mode with Rhine Lab operators.
Mission accomplished. 足んねえ、足んねえ、全然足んねえ。誰も俺様には勝てねえんだよ。
That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.